G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a unique home, 18 Franklin Street in the popular suburb of Urraween. We are on just over an acre, yet only minutes away from the thriving heart of the Hervey Bay CBD. There is a lot to take in. Let's go and have a look around. You will enjoy the lifestyle and privacy that comes with living on just over an acre, along with the convenience that comes with having Hervey Bay's key amenities all nearby. These include shopping centres, schools, Tafe, university, sporting precinct, hospitals, golf course, cafes, restaurants, esplanade and the beach. This sound brick and tile home was built in 1988 and showcases a spacious single-level design that has been tastefully refurbished over time to create a private living retreat, offering open and connected spaces, allowing light and air to fill this home naturally. The stylish kitchen features plenty of bench and storage space, as well as a pantry and servery out to the outdoor entertaining area. Quality appliances include a wall oven, electric hot plate with range hood and a dishwasher. There is an open plan dining area leading off the kitchen, which seamlessly connects with the expansive al fresco outdoor entertaining area where you can enjoy your morning cuppa or a refreshing afternoon beverage while basking in Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate. Cooling off over the warmer summer months is as simple as taking a refreshing swim in the sparkling in-ground pool, which includes a large shade umbrella and is surrounded by established tropical gardens. The front veranda also runs the length of this home and includes pull-down shade blinds. This home offers great separation and space for everyone, with a separate lounge or media room, which also includes reverse cycle split system air conditioning. This is where you will enjoy watching your favourite television series or blockbuster movies. There are 4 spacious bedrooms, which all include built-in wardrobes and ceiling fans. The main bedroom includes a walk-in wardrobe and a large ensuite with shower, toilet and vanity, and also offers direct access to the outdoor entertaining area. The bathroom includes a bath, shower and vanity, and there is a separate toilet. The laundry includes a basin with direct access outside to the clothesline via the outdoor entertaining area. Those looking to accommodate several vehicles will appreciate the double bay carport with high entry. There is clear side access down both sides of this home with ample space to accommodate large RVs, caravans and boats. You also have a detached brick double garage with power and remote doors, plus provision for plumbing to add a shower and toilet if desired. Behind the shed, you have a second high entry carport, ideal for those looking to house a camper trailer, caravan or boat. The energy conscious will appreciate the 6.5 kilowatt solar power system, and you've also got solar hot water as well. Homes in this street rarely become available, and the owners have already committed to purchasing another property. So here's your opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You will only be disappointed if you miss this one.